In this video, I'll guide you through how to enable auto deposit for CIBC Interac e-Transfer. Auto deposit is a convenient feature that can save you time by allowing funds to be automatically deposited into your account without needing to answer a security question each time. Let's walk through the steps to set this up on the CIBC mobile banking app. First, you'll want to start by logging into your CIBC mobile banking account. If you haven't already installed the app, make sure to download it from your device's app store and sign in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see the home screen of your account. Now, turn your attention to the top left corner of the app. Here, you'll find a menu icon which looks like three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Go ahead and tap on this icon to open the main menu of options. From the list of options, select Interac e-Transfer. This section is where you manage all your e-transfer settings and transactions. Once you're in the Interac e-Transfer section, keep an eye out for the auto deposit option. Sometimes, you might even see a pop-up that prompts you to set up auto deposit if you haven't done so already. Tap on the auto deposit option to open up the settings. This is where the magic happens. Within these settings, you'll be able to enable the auto deposit feature for your account. Simply follow the on-screen prompts, which might include agreeing to any terms or conditions, and you'll have auto deposit set up in no time. Once you enable auto deposit, all future Interac e-transfers sent to you will be automatically deposited into your account. You won't need to answer a security question, which makes receiving money much more seamless and efficient. And just like that, you've successfully set up auto deposit on your CIBC account. With this feature enabled, you can enjoy the peace of mind knowing that your funds will be securely deposited without any extra steps. It's a small tweak that makes managing your finances a little bit easier. That wraps up our quick guide on enabling auto deposit for CIBC Interac e-Transfer. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on managing your banking needs. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.